quick video about the computer cycle. A computer, no matter how many millions of things they can do, it actually comes down to 4 things. It's all they can do. Whether it's a laptop computer or a telephone, your telephone that you use, your phone, or a desktop computer, any kind of computer system can only do 4 things. The first thing it can do is input information. Whether you type it in using the keyboard, whether you use the touch screen, whether you talk to it, however you get the input in there, you have to get input into your computer. After the computer receives the input, you have directed it to a program that you want to use, so it can take that to the central processing unit and process the information. The end result, after it's been processed, is the output. And finally, the output, the first place you see the output is going to be on your screen. Okay, so you can tell if it's correct or not. The output might be a game you're playing. It might be music you're listening to. All of that is output in a computer. And finally, if you like the output, it has the ability to save it or store it. So we looked at these 3 different types of computers. Let's look at some output and some input. So output would come through your headsets or your earbuds. Printers are also output. Microphone would be input, because you're adding information into the computer to be processed. Storage on a USB. You can also store inside the computer on the hard drive, the storage part of the hard drive. And when you take camera pictures or pictures with your camera, you're adding more input to your computer. And this is a quick look at the computer cycle, which consists of input, processing, output, and storage.